Roger Porch grew up on a farm and ranch in West River, South Dakota, where both banks and towns are few and far between. For those who have never been there, West River is short grass country where cow-calf operations are the norm. Still takes a cowboy and a cow to raise a calf, and a banker needs to understand the land in order to serve the needs of his or her customers. Roger understands the geography of West River. He knows the land and he knows the people. I served with Roger in the South Dakota State Senate, and I found him not only reasonable, but a knowledgeable and a very concerned person with his constituents' needs always firsthand. Roger graduated from Kadoka High School in 1969 and the University of South Dakota in 1974. And for those of us that graduated from South Dakota State, we put up with him anyway. He returned to his family's ranch after college and operated it until 1995 when he started working at the First National Bank in Phillip. He was elected to the South Dakota House of Representatives in 1984, served until 1990, and was vice chairman of the Ag Committee. He was elected to the South Dakota State Senate in 1990, where I first met him, where he served for 6 years, chairing the Committee on Education, and he later served on the State Board of Education for 5 years. Roger is currently the Vice President and head of the Loan Department for the First National Bank in Phillip. He sits on the Board of Directors of the Phillip Health Services, which operates a clinic, a hospital, a nursing home, and is the Secretary of the Phillip Charities, which is the local economic development organization. He and his wife Lois have been married for 44 years, have 3 children and 5 grandchildren, last count. They still own and operate the family ranch, which consists of about 3,500 acres of pasture and farmland. I know that our committee can benefit from Roger's long experience and use his testimony to help make it easier for rural bankers to effectively serve their customers. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.